Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy in an air fryer. You might be surprised, but your air fryer can help you create a wonderfully flavorful gravy with minimal fuss. This method is perfect for capturing those delicious meat drippings, transforming them into a rich sauce. It is a convenient way to elevate any meal, adding a touch of homemade goodness. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of flavorful meat drippings, or butter if you prefer. Also, have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour ready, along with 1½ cups of warm chicken or beef stock. Crucially, select a small, heat-safe dish that fits comfortably inside your air fryer basket or oven. Now let's create the base. In your heat-safe dish, combine the drippings and flour, stirring well to form a paste. Place this dish into your air fryer, set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally until the mixture turns a light golden brown. Then, slowly whisk in the warm stock until the mixture is completely smooth. Finally, it is time to thicken your gravy. Place the dish back into the air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for another 5 to 8 minutes. Stir every 2 minutes to ensure even cooking and prevent any lumps from forming. The gravy will gradually thicken to your desired consistency. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, then serve your delicious homemade gravy warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.